Hi, welcome to the tutorial on how to download and install HydroDev Solutions application. First, to download the application, open your browser and go to hydrodevsolutions.wordpress.com. Now scroll down a bit and click on the Here hyperlink. In the new tab that's just opened, click on Herunterladen, German for download. Ignore this. So now that the file is done downloading, let's just click on the MSI file there, and since this application is an unsigned application, Windows Smart Screen should be turned off. Okay, now that we've done that, let's just go through the steps here. Say next, install. Depending on your computer hardware, it might take a few minutes to get this installed. There we go, we're done. So to open the application, let's just go to the path where the program is saved, which is C, program files, x86, and HydroDev Solutions, HydroDev bucket model, and this is the Excel file that we're looking for. That's it. Our application is successfully installed.